Tumurigerikari munanda senseme iga yegekaro rituko ria rero ria Jumapili tariki na 30 gekaro kyo mweri kigimaso mutienyo wa gatatu na negekaro gia kabere asende nseme iga konya koremereri konya gutaruria bikorwo tubia nseme ige biane muino mbira bikunonde korende bura butambe babwatani babutambe begekaro jeni gongoro kwaro ni ototo nyangiri nseme ria nento bwate head of state commendation Dennis Orioki na boigo Head of House Communication Samu Miyenda lero no ale tujage na Samu Miyenda tukwani yangu ese maroba ya lero
House of
Gatembe
Communication. It's okay. Yangu ni mugusiano cia sora se maragoba ya bono twaserega asense me ndege karo astrachari turachikonya ko batu sangama naye go twakwarigana kiande gikumi tunyaka batu gusangama naye asenjire yo gwikirana buna koigwa wana ninche the head of the house of Getembe karibu sana
buya mono head of state commendation Dennis Orioki na andu matikante kwega tukiro rio gyo yeah sebali bamanyete head of the state commendation yere one of the 5 awards chikorwegwa wochia ase abantu bali bakolire bakolire mirimo exemplary in one area or the other. Tima ito kasi
actually nenda na yoka ebwat ebirangarariye bikose nchero konye kwana nero ekoba is an entry point kwa manyanga some of those awards nature president
head of state
nero ya ansete
chama kubwati bune end of the golden warriors
nero nere
nyene bone nere ejine na bo ejine jibwati ni she koro ngene president yekuru lakini yare bwati ngane president yekuru
no eto bwati eyu enda bono bando bako bolingere ona begete mutu
so this is the beginning and now watch kwanza head of state yakuri organize ritangani kigima
yabono ase okotwalika nende litukolia lero aliya sogwakora Shabana yabeka chigoli sato azeliga na liesa gero timu eliende koru Moranga
Seals
manyete Aaron Ototo tianda kwenda kidogo kwa Shabana na Moranga Seals umaite Moranga Seals ni kama yani gubale masimu wetu wa jadi yesengencho I remember karatu ariko nabutu asata
NSL
to arute NSL to gasoro karatu aso you realize that last season they were ahead of us and they could say ngai torochia small but by God's grace tondochie relegation lakini bona iga we are above them and you can tell ngarero yani igo yarenga automatic that we had to win esenge nchonga igangusi no Shabana the good thing with Shabana kotorega anka home advantage abantu bonsi chigasi bagotegari tukeri bayichoraga iga naro rero chiticket basangire chinyinge sana meaning that umugusi osokere and also support team ya community and which is a good picture
Narenga almost 1.8 million in Chazangere. I think Shabana is going to be one of the clubs in Kenya to sustain Joka Jinyane Mondo Mungatari go receive some Mugo Korani club.
In fact, you should be talking about East Africa. Sababu amashabik let me tell you those other seasons that arenga sell league apa kusia bange na buranya ngamba nchite mupira go sondora ngo bona buna inche na ga support ya brothers Gor Mahia lakini risha bana yacha toka soime ono mugusionzi alafu influence nero ya chire yani influence nero ya chire ngale no mupira including children abalisia
Kero monta
everybody nane saroka tariba mura na wajire stadium
naga tenga Shabana toka tabang tole bobe wali tuans na ndo mate ngore ngimu gusita yibade gote bwatran na Shabana
kiromo
tanga nje Shabana into Shabana
ayo kama lieta akora kutoka ngano
na congratulations team ya Shabana soko kenda kokolia buja na that's the time nginyo tekero Shabana tiza Moranga Seals ya garo ngari shakaura yagenda gakorege tikelie gote bagene kero mustuni ime timeti ngare ritani macho nyene garo ni karo Shabana gote kwanda timeti ya bwana
second leg tore I think tuakora ni nabo
Shabana mbara baadi baji maiga oje
no kare togeli karo togo chikosa ese ekigia tole tege kare
kire Shabana no wish them well
yeah bono elituko lia rero niko tukukwenda iguru ya county kurunga county ya Nyamira wiki ya bere ntambe sana na mangana ya county ya Nyamira anyariko ba gakoragana chizemo twarorire ko musana na kubwa mono ko genderete ase chi county gosese county ya Nyamira kubwa mono ese ebunge county ose county assembly wikira wono iga undi wa tena gote boronga county assembly ya Nyamira ngaye gwende gwikaransa gosenereri nero ali chikondiro gosama chikonaro ao nabo igo ase umo speaker bwe county ya Nyamira noro liora oyo nabo igo nebinde binge biri bigende ko gase county ya Nyamira nabo igo mugavana bwe county ya Nyamira neranya tuko baga gwikirana ubose bwe senate lituko lia Jumatano ase anyata kaba gakorokyo kumusanana amo egatiaye amo nomo governor bwe ozama senator bwe county muske okongo omogeni tuchake litang tuchake na head of state commendation Dennis Orioki county Nyamira from the ward gwekere gukwane kabone gakubwa mono igoroye ebunge ye county ya Nyamira nkiego cho mutuo bona
biamono Nyamira bono ngotwara tole in the assembly egento konga state of the county address bono iga state of the county confusion cutting across bono go sinyuanga a problem wenga yera bara ingonye ligere lienchera get two ways one ndobo the beneficiary out of this political conundrum weyagenderete number two ndobo the losers abata ikorokana kwa bantu bangao except taxpayers abananchi bosomo nanchi Nyamira county number one nchebuna ngote maukeligereria governor is the major beneficiary na kiara atake eseye na confusion yagendere asengencho onse ko twara aba MC bare united mba majeti ko ba united like twice bakamo bangere impeachment yega chara kintanyorete absolute majority bamwakasiko alao unity of purpose even impeachment yae tago survive so in one way or the other whether is ngwanchale kostai ngwancha is a major beneficiary ya confusion yeye number two omwananchi era akonya kuumiaga at this point in time kura njiri mambia birengere linga ngakitoko sabo mwananchi ngakose bitacho bya chieta asegete biraro kana bigocha asomorobelio deputy speaker ya Kabairo bono le speaker in the acting capacity mba mweti abwango era bono le speaker this wali ndira abole tibwe a substantiate ko saoroki a clarify nga ena resigned ko MCA ekingi ya chikoba na moina kota babale keroko tema ko ini kwa ya buya the former speaker go say the other speaker mosike okero ingana ruseti we payroll taiko limoshahara no na allowance taiko chinyora nende kare bunge mashinania bono is unable kutoka the other side namba ibere ekara confusion yeye nderete kwa manya konyoranga some MCAs mbebe gete kando abande bago support Inok abande bago support bunge mashinani ya Inok the other speaker abande bago support ya ebikao biribigo korbono bunge within Nyamira parliament county assembly kwa maya konyoranga ababale bunge mashinani allowance jirimba igo chinyora bali bakale moina alia ngonya ba those allowances in normal things speaker ye yakabairo kwa nyoranga on the flip side ye gabane ko mutumbeka ebikao bya na biwa accept ko se biwa approve ko mu approve le budget na binto binde na bye bikogenda akobiranga ebire legitimate both sides mbabwate chisababo bako machikoteberanga entore ligo oyo nagere chikura ndubi nagere chikura na MCA agaeta a procedure yo kobe speaker you to have resigned out of evidence or resigning and endo soire they have gone ahead kotema ko reconstitute a county assembly service board korusia two external members Morogo Mogaru and the other members barusi we team ya Mogaru ya minyokire ya chira na yaro code korago seneira nigu moina okero former speaker gose o speaker ya bunge mashinani ngwe bo liswa lile mokare legal in the office tinta ito ba misquoted gose kende njaba no spectator and get and doing a little bit of commentatorship car office illegally ngoliara allowance ngoliara moshara. My answer is no, because ekarole ebinyoro ime mashinania you are unable to access your legitimate office. Chances are very high. According to bantu babere batatu na aboli yali batele the payroll eba muruzete payroll kale sana. So kwanyoranga problem there on this other side despite chiko soiwa into this thing. Finally ekero aba MCA bakongeire mono chi county assembly twaligereri chinyingo anzere Migori ogende Kisumu ogende Turukana ogende no Nyamira you there's a time speaker yale ngoro ekaminyoki gwa kagenda chanze chuko sababu jire chike sana so my advice nelinga kokiria chiseye cho mwananchi wa Nyamira nyora magendero. The former speaker goes the speaker obunge mashinani should eat humble pie atabenga egentegana sabeti allow me no emwangi mpichiri bono rorango the best way out to navigate na kosakamu navigate on this thing mondo zelia ngolie mumbe great impeachment because I'm a young man na bonda anyore position elsewhere na acha ko serve because I think that could be the thing he's fighting for but from the look of things majority of the MCAs looking on to allowances and oko majokaranga ale moina because of somehow na boko majikoranga ale ne mo governor so no na allowance here ajo konyole kale ko moino baiga one mbesi aseka ruete abora nyole oko ko mo governor ko karo
Sam, your first thought take a look at Nyamira.
Nyamira, we have spoken about Nyamira for the longest time possible. No, I do remember even the time of the late Nyagarama. Nyamira was being spoken. Let's be realistic. Nyamira ya kwani for the longest time possible ngakia Nyagarama, and Nyagarama was Nyaribo chire. We are still talking about Nyagarama. Well, as Dennis said, abantu bari bakumya nande bari bako benefits in one way or the other, lakini bono muntu umieta mono no muntu kuruko mwananchi kwa sababu ebinte binge ombiro bitari korekane emiswara nere gwente tigwe ebinto chi budget ne gwente gwetigwa ebinto ombiro ebinge services chiri within the county government chiwanta korekana, but because of this issue ya Nyamira things are not working actually. Lakini kerotoko chatwararanga there was a report given some other time back about the issue of corruption, and we saw Nyamira was among those counties chiabato mochando muno. Oda ngentomanya kweboli chimesi chiribire o tomanya kubona the legality nere libone lego nere lietari lego kwanyoranga yende nero mwaro ke yogoro binyoroime ne nero yogoro the county office level. Bona if Enoch Okero wasn't dining with the governor, trust me, but because by the look of things that Enoch Okero in one way nabwate favor yomo governor who he is working with yageranga no mo governor monyene ta ko korakana maybe go fight go take position as a area koreteki area go se bunge area ko ako recognize because ababandi bali mo inogaiga asense me ya bunge nyene you want to find out like inga iko bali mbali bali babwatani mo no bo mo governor no mo governor abwate ababwatani bali bae. I want to echo what Dennis said about who is enjoying the division kwa sababu if circumstances allow MCS to come together, trust me, it's an impeachment. Nande go kogenda bwangu. Lakini riri babwate ngusana number ba go support mo governor, number ba go support mo governor. It happens like bona ba koraki eko ba raisi ko ba sabotage. Umanyanga ba ari ba go support governor e bari ba banga naiga. Ba isa go jana ba ko impeach ngonkuru si ariga egera number si koraki because to a carol it has happened there before. So Nyamira, it is something that I think bona gan kalimanga na an issue of umugusi. It's a national thing because sababu nto arumo governor yako and Senate. I think we'll talk later about that. And you can find out like there was issues and cherea maswali alikobori. It's something of a national interest. Want to akora ni na Meru, one of you heading to Nyamira. Of course we cannot talk about the impeachment.
Nyamira is more complicated.
Yes. Because we have never seen tuarare chi impeachment chiko koreka na se chi county chinde. Lakini nto anyako witness is devolution nature. A county whereby we have two county assemblies.
I think kero mogano rurunga picture yitu anyebekire nga kikagendera Nyamira. The two factions inchiro legitimate inchiro according to MCS bawanyambega gisesa from the Nyaribo as a governor point of view naboko yunga abambale legit from as per their team. From the other perspective, yeah, MCAs, because this is purely members of the county assembly business. With their numbers, I mean, they have a reason, and those numbers, ichiabo no nyeba change. Again, to Montago decide MCAs because they have there is a distinct between MCA ko elected speaker na voters ko se mwananchi ko elected governor. That is a clear distinction. Aba they directly exercise their power and authority. You can remove by impeachment their speaker, which they have done. I mean, you can talk about procedures and other things, but they have done it, and they have shown they can do it. On the speaker, on the MCAs removing the governor, was impeaching the governor, somehow they tried. You see, about MCA Nyamira, they are, because they're exercising their right, oversight, representation, and the other one is legislation. They seem to be doing so well in terms of oversight, again, up to the level of Onawago impeach. They have tried it on governor, they have tried it on their speaker. They are doing well. On the flip side, you know, agenda to some level. Now you come back into even during campaigns. Leadership now should be able to take center stage. That representation feel.
Way forward.
It is high time leadership to but between the two, the governor and the speaker was the county assembly, seemingly you don't see leadership. On the time you here now comes the role of the senator. I think it quickly comes in.
Abu senator no nataka enda ngiri gerali ase omo senator kukwanda igorega se notes ya lenge ya 2015 na akara kwaniri gorega set notes yeyo na boto koikuru abuto makolinginga na gocha gocha set notes njiro chikotabakana njiro chinde chile contested ne chide chitari contested ito gocha konya boto kolingeria ya masa muto ringa ase a process in such in the political go se legal go se whatever ira to gere ne mongre
igere extra legal
mo director na bagoto bekera oroboti ru go se engwane yo mo senator okwane gorega set notes yo mo governor nyalibo anza chinda ko bwatira kolenga ne ngwana yo mo senator okongo mugeni
rukade go toma ba MCA bani bakare ko ikaranse metei omanya go tatainga set notes nere aruetwe 2015 ka kino bakera asiwa ekere bunge alenge 2013 to 2017 mroji ka senti chonsi picha akwete 2017 yeye
Omo senator agatanga gaseti ya 2015 eyo alenge ntachinde gwanjira amangana bunge mashinani eyo nigo ya expire techikura cha 2017 na wego tueta 2017 twaje chikura cha 2022 igo nsachinde kolengana nesa moyo mo senator chia ituna chingake lakini ndekaruto koligele county ya Nyamira nchi gaseti notes nere korukunga gaseti notes number 14299 eyo ese omo governor gosomo speaker we county assembly muskeno kwokero commissioner gosino mo speaker gosino yoringo mo speaker abono is a story for another day lakini ese agotebegananga the general public is hereby notified that in the quest to promote bunge mashinani effective from the 31st October 2024 the Nyamira County Assembly sittings will also be done at the following premises adhering to the existing county assembly calendar. Tamakataba Manga Sub-County Office, Nyamira North Sub-County Office, Manga Sub-County Office, Warabu County Office. Dated 29th October 2024. Ikabasa indi no more speaker we county you. Na ande akato kwa ne county assembly to kwa na toba ndo kwa ne mo clerk. The subsequent gazette notes nigego tebanga goetira muna eno kwokero muna a county assembly service board chairperson na yare akamwa appoint Silvanus Inde Munyamora muna a acting clerk of the county assembly. I think operation check out assembly nigo chiranda the clerk. So iga enero enza chinde ete side ya okero umutunga mbale liga limbaga ento kora whatever ba kora se bunga mashinani wetre siga set notes ego chimuto chiga set notes njia bete contested in different forums asante tajindi chikaba kwashe zikaba sa side beyond notwithstanding sajinde na kia kutumika tote mga tonyo ne political legal mongrel whatever tega na orioki
igere extra legal you go legal paka weke level gete you go ahead and interpret something gets suit your own thinking because your side na no birenga bia wiko anda bia abwe agote banga ekaset notice agote anga every cow can also so sittings it is not that jira cast on stoning achieve those 4 or 5 sub counties
will also be done
so as we cover done bimanya ko anda will also okay I'm told, I mean, I'm free for corrections. Korwa ekonondra mwe answer. Bunge mashinani team. Yanya wakora every cow, the real bunge yabo within the precincts of county assembly. Banya kokora. Because the ground, because the assembly building is hostile. Take over allow. Kwa majikolenge ringa. The outgoing speaker, let me begin now using it, not former, but the outgoing speaker, Enoch, must have thought of gotten winding again taken a one Minyoki Ugorua. The only way that survived the Ganda Gazette also. Yes, the Ganda sittings elsewhere. As a political survival, that's being intelligent. So Akabibeka, having himself in mind, in case inta survive moinali, I can also be able to manage myself moina. But that one is not a solution, a problem where this far. I know court has tried to some level of intervention. There's push and pull, but ultimately we need now someone somewhere needs to come out and show leadership. This is too much. I'm aware. Speaker nja achete, outgoing speaker na achete paka gaje kikao agasaba pakomo sama meaning irendenga abantu aba truly mba minyogete bakanga impeach is also trying agatema koliye nchera
yoko reconcile
yuere extra legal mo inaiganga motale ko nganchera Kawira style, Kawira Mwangaza style. She tried koliya abantu banywe chaye bakwane ngende Kenya bere na binto binde. He appeared before a committee rende techi komotagara buna yata keira. From where I'm sitting, again take nabokero chia satali agaya. Now it calls for the leadership ya Nyamira. You etikalete naro just some members of parliament yo borabu Patrick Osero na bata betenga. Wana ase kire no nko batore 7 days no muiwe choka nko boli tore president yegende gara keira. But my concern has been where is the senator? Because the interests ya county iko chire under the senate. Perhaps what happened liri governor ya apieta at CPAC committee njaro kanete koleta umofurutano gete but rendo ta chiete korogana muya it needs to get some people swing into action over maende bo machikorokana but again ge kwanda koti mono a lot will go into west and plundering of resources in a people will take advantage a situation bunere ntomanye tingi kere. You remember 2013 really counties chia cheret transition area bindombere bya chiete biga saleka binde biga sirwa, you know, some 2-3 things imbi happen tibitali biya bone go cha go force abantu nende baase ko boye kile
akato kwa negore kwa boligoro yo mo senator na nyara ko ba ga kuana ga gusaka kurwe birengera bya mune twatigaresa anyara ko ba go bolinga gago tutrare igasete notice yue yo gotebanza chinde koira ebika ebyo bunga bashinani na sanali ganara se ekribwe ko bwati mo senator bada gotebanga ase onyekere ng'abantu ngogenda bareka nyalibona ero tagere kwandaka gribwe kyo mu director na magotobekera sagotabanga nyalibaga ndenka inde tumagoje sam arwe kerengere kya igoroye ngani yuto maiko gendra director
ali amana ayo kototishagana na nochori kenu woti sorwe county ya Nyamira ekero wa iguru wasinywa tari wa iguru korumeru majaburu kawera mwangaza assembly ne county government ya bunu base wa iguru ne jabaru mwangaza tari ora ka anye nyadi bosi nyurwe gasi dirabe kese hii ayenda hii nka
Rasore dance yakiko nagani samara comment ko riga set notes yiga to konji ga set notes yechibere to anyare ko tukukwanera nsachinde jiga set notes yechi ko tume kubobe nande ningo ole wancheire go authorize ega set notes yelikwe ona ega set notes yejali kiru gasani kuna eno kuokere chibere twati kuligera riga omo speaker yoro ko gotati nyabaro nalira ikirikuri katika state notes chiae chugo tukutira bikalebi ganza chinde in a comment from bona where we sit in tubuna chi commentator bon
bon ikinto nare ko kwenda kwechi gazette notice number 1 omaete aba speaker wange even bari national go senate abantu bako ba elect baba chinguru cyo koregasi naba MC abamanyene gusaba senator gusaba jumbe bono onyoranga ebinte binge karobi kwitu kwa se bunge Aaron Toto you find out that most of the things they are being approved by let me not use maybe you got chiko approved by aba MC aba nyene ebinte minge be it a budget be it whatever imba engwe tibale bono wekira koreta egazeti notice ko tabanga igoro ya bunge mashinani the MCAs must have participated because that is a legal issue and go baro the thing bare gari se bunge ye kwerende ye county assembly no korosia machiko ngabano wekera bano ega na botogotwara bunge mashinani so when we have a gazette notice chiko tabanga by this time kona ngonchi erete lakini nainde umo speaker to according to his wisdom I can't use lack of it, but
discretion.
Yeah,
use discretion.
Ochire, oretrega gazette notice yende kwa longa tutuare bunge mashinani. But now the legality no tokubolinga Kenya nense bwata machiko. Nande Aaron Toto beyond being beyond go discuss ko suku kwanera igoro ya imeswada ekore tukuse budget kusikenenge bwante kwetikwa. Ebi ndombiro binge chi offices county offices gokonyoranga chiri within the premises of a county assembly ebinte binge the mess everything igo chiri within the county assembly bona na chiri so anta ede ko just ntake tokomanya chi message ga is it something that is very precious that is produced in a kire mess ngo tokera se county ya Nyamira yende Kisii yende Bungoma yende Araria kusikenege ntumuntu ndara endare tokuru anywhere ale tenerate bone ne mesimbwate and this thing is working we are having two bono ntoma thing Johnson abachibuye kaine bono ni reliye belong to Nyamira county just like that so when we having this gazette notice about Nyamira and where the senator himself sits I think the senator igare igako push chibesa cha allocated lakini the issues and the governance and the services chi county ko chiko kana nomo governor umo deputy governor ye na aba MCA baye or maybe I think oversighting is looking at ngakimwatu mukachibesa chitwara atakuru Nairobi how you used but in terms of running the county I don't think like the senator is involved directly apart from allocate and finding out inga inkikeka ndata county I want to believe that
kolenda abu ase omo senator chirate yara nyara ko bera ka kwenda ko somba chibeso ko jese county atakuli interest chinde
my concern there as a notice here I want to concur with a senator that some gazette notices might have been overtaken by events because going with an example, when I was in the Parliamentary Service Commission, every session ekaro rekoera ekikae karega koera aba jumbe bagenda for a recess ekaro ba koirana Parliamentary Service Commission nkori organize here timu ekorokunga House Business Committee ya ikaransa ya work on the calendar that calendar na area set the sittings ya kichikoba timings injiriji even the committees nga kichiko umerana that procedure nkobere equally ekero buna baono at the National Assembly ntobwate evikao bikoro nga 13th parliament buna baono the current parliament nebwate liete korokwa nende karo ya achire by virtue it is deemed to elect a new speaker. There are a lot of changes. New changes here karochiko soa. Ebintombere biko ruo ebinde biaswa. So that Gazette notice ya 2015, it is true ya were overtaken by events. Number 2, no to avere toko to are vikao bigenderate via the new regime. Egintara mayabono a team we go ikaransa because in Tobuate a similar committee a very powerful and set meetings on a calendar. Timanya team where is it joint? Igere both Machinani and within County Assembly of Nyamira, how are they doing their sittings? The joint sittings, it's your house business, that business committee yabo, ngakibakare go ikaransa. Then a calendar yabo evikao, a recessing a kieko genda. Because both committees, both parliaments, assemblies, organize if they are going for recess. The number 2, actually, before a speaker, a clerk, Gazette sitting. It is that provision is there because of there is that condition during this time. A speaker, a clerk, a notice. Under that circumstances, the 2 so-called speakers. Then it has to follow a procedure we have followed. Even the government printer, where Gazette notice published, a procedure neta care. But again, you never know. A governor and the team could be having an hand because a governor Nabego Toma Gazette notices Nabago Toma Gazette notice in Chirechia, Chirechimo governor, I go to Machibe Gazette. Publication alongside the Jomogavana, Navago to make a speaker there, printer and Aguna, Karoka.
Because a print out here at 31st October 2024, ne print Nesana, we got the Gazette notes combined, but you were Tanya and B. Yes, so it might be a negative.
Because Gazette notice a chico all over, Conore Chia Mochiro, Chia registrars. Even national government.
So then, Igolipod Nan, everyone to go just a government print and error, key process,
recognize it. Nobody recognize it.
Get a procedure. And this Gazette notice starting talk about from nowhere. Gazette notice on Teraserichico. And by a cabaret Arno Toto, as a constitution, they might it happens that we have 2 speakers and or something that happens like that.
The messes.
How should it be done? Like in recognizing into a county assembly, what a speaker, what all this. So kuna vitu zingine jitari.
No, mess here. There's a procedure that followed.
MS.
First, go to Mukika Brukia. So,
that's what I'm saying. The outgoing speaker ought to get his act right.
So now
again, this is all politics. So
now, Bona Iboli Takoba Neil. Ngobwanta goja, wasingobwanta kwa mugika tambo kurudi tangan kigima because it might the power of the assembly, the power of the National Assembly, the power of the Senate, in that mess. Wherever the mess is,
it's a symbol of authority.
It's a symbol of authority.
Actually, comment the chingu. A mess here tell you about work. We care Ekiretalia Sevekire. The mess can be within the building, floor of the house. But the mess no yet settled the area. You cannot transact any business. Omontaji Mukiga no ne side mayanus. You cannot transact business. We care settled. Authority bestowed on the mess. Born on a back of Omontaji Muki. You normally see sergeant at arms, in the event within a bunga, you cannot transact business. It resembles order, authority, and order. goike bintu bibe in order.
So libo litia neneli ngobwete ko take responsibility yo kueshua abakenya ngaki tobwachi county 47 kere county ne bwate mesia ya mo authentic ase mesia ya authentic ngobwete go chata bya banyamire ngaki mesia authentic ere nyamira gose mesia authentic kale mashinana
ntobwata abantu bakoro kunga accounting officers. Accounting officer at the county assembly igare a clerk. Nero mandated. Transactions here or business transactions chiko balia including allowances na bintobinde, seatings na bintobinde, in as much as yago consult is the one okoba held liable and accountable. All that is his work. Number 2, from national government. No, from exchequer. Chiba yaseka chiko tomwa. Mbamanye tenga at the end of the quarter, omonto correspond because we account for this money, AI holder, nyarebe. In the event kendege kogenda wrong, this guy has to be held accountable. However, still from exchequer, from the national treasury, a strong communication neta keire so kenga. Watch out, and this is perhaps from the control of budget. Nabata keire arwe a advisory to the county assembly of Nyamira, now to the clerk. Amotevinga be advised accordingly. In the event a problem where abunereiga, no a clerk, whoever a clerk yali, ought to have sought for some advice. Era mokonya abolinga nimbuate a political situation here in Nyamira. Whoever ojire. What should I do? Now I have 2 committees. Chiko request chibese differently. Bunge machina nera nera. Kindly advise me. Normally, a county attorney lero or the legal advice from that end before tarasi ka advice. But wherever the clerk you're on, we have to be very much careful.
Manjo muligereri togenda gukwanira igore county ya Nyamira asege karo litukolia lero togenda kuligereria mono igoro ye county ibere timaitu ibere chibona botojuke karo speaker ibere ngai chiko kara chimesi ibere ngai chiko vera ebi karo ji se mu ibere abai karanzu kurabe tikyabo gochiana gwende gochimuino na gochikonyare toro ekerengereria yetu ngakinza chinde ngigeta gokoru ase county eri ya Nyamira tugure chingwana chabara abande bagotabanga Nyamira nza chinde na bebwanete go tuguterware moske Patrick Osero na rute karangara kiae umasana tana rute karangara kiae moske Vincent ke mosina rute karangara kiae abanke niko bagenda ku birangara byabo lakini oyo no motego bwe bagatanga motego wa panya okubwata kende Johnson ngigo tokane nese omotego yoiga na ekero sambone ne side na karangara kiae
masamu ataracha I worked in the assembly, county assembly of Kisii for 1 year. I'm reminded, even when you move to Bunge Mashinani, you must have a parliamentary resolution, because a county assembly resolution that you are moving. MCA, resolution. It can come as a communication from the chair, but after a resolution has passed in the assembly. So if there was no resolution, a gazette notice in nature, it is not a simple authority. It is not legal. We get to a binding in a backup.
Ono essence me ausa munta chinde karato kuligerliga inchira nerera nyare kanenga kangabona nganto bwate kirali tinga niko kogenda ya mase kiraki county assembly naboko gosuna ne kiraki county assembly gosina boko bolinga buja to era se litangan tore ga Nyamira katikati egeti timani katikati ya Nyamira ngaje kobera katikati tore Messi ga tonyolore tumatore liego tumakole
na boli swali elio because the echikoro kana kubwekana bono turiko ba specific manya
aba nambale wood fabricators munaro ka tenga ndo singa ndumne ka koro siri
akoro siri exactly one again to that the issues of Nyamira politically, lego, when it comes to issues chabunge mashinani abulego lakini baona njira yoko fight ga nalia yeko political and we naro chegalio mo governor na baraibande bagokora masabo herengo obo muboche ase county ya Nyamira. But my question was obo mubobulete Nyamira mburubyo is it obo mubwage siasa, is it siasa chama gendero chiro o sen siasa just politics of interest and other things because let me tell you ono mwaka kata torochi kuruchi kura chiakwa aba manyi ba Nyamira what are they enjoying others naro choro botu ndwaru wete ro tabaringa umugavana A igabete nambagete mugavana B igabete nambagete. Where is the position of Nyamira in terms of development? Bintu bunde mbiko
gani parameters kiko tumeka ya mugavana naro tanga naro jega
egento kene galina ki last year mpaka mwaroje geitake gusariwa mwamsie naro sambritwe nyumba. So it is a very serious thing in the county of Nyamira, whereby including even the public, they will say the state, will say the executive, no more events. Of course we have separation of powers, but how can we turarigiririo mwananchi kwanza apart from these leaders who are there for the sake of mwananchi egere tumanya buya nkikibwente kokorekana buna linachika kwatabanga none county yenyene ne bwate procedures umate Kenya is a country that bwate procedures enchebe kawe bwente kokorekana from this what is supposed to be done is speaker na bwanete gocha twaranga from the county assembly is speaker ngochari then the machinanu wana nerengo chari. Where are those clerks come from? Chiclerk chire mashinani. Are they lego mbale say payroll? Ababare say the National Assembly wenye no bale lego because ntobwateng as account muna Nyamira we shall have the constitution of 2020 we shall have 47 counties and it goes to define each and every role that is played in that county. So it is something in our ikukerekegenia asense yetu ya Kenya since devolution ntrara somewhere that the speakers are operating the same thing at the same time, especially when we are having at bunge yenyewe na bunge mashinani. So ekene confusion, but at the end of the day abantu bakomia na ndapatarika nyora magendro na abantu tokurukanga wananchi because even you cannot do anything as much as chaos chiro lero toko kunyokana gochia lero toko kunyokana gochia nkairende bagocha go settle. So I think the Senate nere bwate those powers because nere will spearhead the agenda of devolution. Nere ne bwenta ko so warenga what are the means because the constitution defines singa if something happens like this ndo arochika wira otabanga bone to sangero senechi signature totukuterale gento kuneke and we have heard from leaders abai county ya Nyamira Patrick Oseranate betenga bono to abaira na ultimatum of 7 days if you can't do this ngochikolika torenga bono muraibense koraki tukuterale ndo arochika gentege happen in Nairobi the other time. Of course it's a different thing, but tokara the state taking over from that some roles she county bakwira roles getting achiri very critical and chigutacho mwananchi yatora achiraigo. I think it is a high time we seek other ways instead of kunyagotabanga nererie lego neretari lego because of some people and yet abananchi mbaga ndoto koraki.
At the end of the day abantu banyamira a solution neta keire igoro yechipunge chiga na the ultimate solution eliere bononga ekorukunga the last resort eyo no gututrare county ya Nyamira iya banda bantu banyaka bago kwekana bago kwanira na litukolia igoro se moisonde litukolia juma tano Aramis if I'm not wrong umu governor bwe county ya Kisii ya Nyamira karagete jibo sibu ya senate na nya tukaba gago tebanga na temino no nje sekonya no mu governor kulende na asinyo lakini ande si kerega no nje nimbote birenge ngamukuri kire president eche etugutre county etugutre county no mu governor ya manyana ni gakurta kurage byara gatia barai esara gete bakomo senator umusiko ko mugeni agatanga no ara yo mabali bagante ko igere chingo ase county ya Nyamira ni bolinde limwe wotanga gosekara ngeni nyama wotanga ase Nyamira ne bwate abarai be county turatiga abajumbe turatiga bamusiye ono mbaro bali bakurigere offer ye county ase gucha ko muga faro banyene musike amusike mumyeribo tojo deputy governor musike
James
Sami to choma senator uyore iko kama mugeni toje omo umandre kuyore cherusmani aba baraboka banyene karba kurigere the interest of the county karba na wale benga nturuete go sema gwagwa nturuete go sema manga go nturuete go se kya banyaru bate baruna bantu banyamira interest ya Nyamira sobwamo barabu omoki obonga kioro rekanire kwikira igoro yokugania koranga Nyamira ko gendere buskere busi
ase engakie yankeye ntaete ko believe nga moraite yo nyako moja kolio moshahara wanzero mugavana na wa MCA bonsi ipi ngoli baro moshahara tayo lakini you can agree with me nga omwananchi nsa alia services ya Misiri we've had challenges no go ikera ni bintu biro bitatu taro mugavana ga kubuli kwa maboli alia matindi no yene document yaye amasoma yae buna somete buna kolire gas World Bank document ya sign tige koteba bo lakini nende ga ukana ka ko bulunga to sign tia ga koteba nga ya nje forwarded. That one tells you buna confusion yero namba ibere omogaba no yo is also being accused inga nero golete mesi ya kabere bona manyete akaena na gochia ze bunge mashinani again to kende. The issues of accountability chitaraba so clear ngaki resources chiko tumekwa as a county government of Nyamira. Finally and very importantly ere buno mo governor inki blame sections ki blame ata itakotek. One a section yendene rago tumeka ya moetelie budget da igere tabwa chi ka percentage kitako ta ngam blame aseke. Number 2 nyumotara chase abajumbe National Assembly members, you go squarely on the Senate. What is the role of Omo Senate? Na hata kirali gerelie bintebi akole secondary oversight. Oro renga a challenge ya bere the assembly. Lakini onyo renga Omo governor right at the center in the middle. He is there in a form and shape and even fashion ye crisis kere Nyamira. So he needs to call it kuika tebenga magoso nara nende square ya magosa na habu hate tomo governor. Immediately after Nairobi CPAC meeting, some MCs in Baso geto bakatebanga omo senator yo talimuya omo senator yo nkosaliale omo senator yo chisegi omolera wokia, which is a bit political. Two things bitakere byapeniali nambe yamo omontali kere control of budget liuko amotebinga for the interest yo mwananchi Nyamira. No more approvals chechibese koba used as a county assembly ne county ya Nyamira until it dawns on these MCAs na omo governor something needs to be done. Leadership neta keirebo ekende morally na vota keiroli gereringa are you doing the right thing uno mo governor. Number 2 are MCAs both sides about attend mashinani and bunge liere Nyamira ali ebibyozi moko bikora mole buyabune procedure takeire kose moko bikora for the sake ya own ya individual interest yakina kera atokonya no mwana inji taya sekende yosi kemo kora echi allowance moko nya kwa rosalia we are doomed
na kanisa mnyuma utara kwana mo director na tuchesere clip ekyo kere igorese ingwana
exchange
mo senator wa county ya Nyamira sebale ngwarira kurutira na mangana ime yes senate irituko umugama na nyaka baga ikirana bosiwe senate.
Several times I pronounce myself as a governor. If they don't unite, I can write to the president to appoint a committee which will look at Nyamira, and if it cannot be able to solve the problem, then it be dissolved. I have done that before, but I have not written because I'm seeing a situation whereby we can be able to solve the problem in-house, except for some 2-3 MPs, including Senator, who has been fueling fire.
That is completely out of order.
Governor, you are not helping us.
You will not make headway if your focus remains this good senator of Nyamira. You will actually embarrass yourself more. The problems you have are between you and your MCAs. The senator of Nyamira sits in Nairobi. Focus. Put your energy where you have problems. If you put your energy where there are no issues, you will not make headway. I'm giving you free advice, Mzee Governor. The problems are in your doorstep between yourself and your MCAs. I'm not an MCA myself. That's free advice. But Counter Tony, I want you to give us some light. How does that Gazette Notice of 2015 looks like? Did it give you a blanket check? Because the way we do our county machinani, we pass a motion to sit in a particular county for a given period, okay? And that motion is for that duration. So how is yours gazetted? As we say, we'll be sitting in Uasin Gishu in the month of August between 10th to 18th. And we said that's where the sittings of the Senate will be held. So this one of 2015, how was it worded? Just for my benefit.
Kwegule samu omo governor gakurutira omo senator omo sikoko mugeni mupira no mo senator naro kumurutira ko mutenga tigombe kabu njetinde mwe musienje no mo senator.
We all know that Omo Senator Nyamira ne senior councillor. Or no monto somerete chiko and he knows what the law says. Na kiko igura ko bolinga kero tutaraenda gukora bunge mashinani as a senate we sit and say tarikigete ntogenda segete tuchiko kora bunge mashinani. So tuatware the same thing akobolinga, where did you sit mukamwanga bono ndotware bunge mashinani and bunge mashinani kere korekana. Kero tukuri we buy a point from the Senate mbariko anda saya mo bateranga to kwenda gusito baero iko to kwenda gusito chitanda turukana to chitanda gose wasingishu to anda gose mbongo. Yes bono yeiga igeroch kaina ko banga, it is a very serious sitting of the county assembly. One confusion yamanya go chiragago even to kende, and I want to say that I want to believe that when we have a county of Nyamira, the person who is held responsible first before even we think about the Senate and his position, no more county governor. Why are we saying that? Nero monene, nere the chief most person orasa chinse mochiria, nero romonene, nero bonto tabanga tatabu county you, and he needs to bring the house in order. Well, my point, and the ganta etomorankon, egara tori gerelinga, who is the problem? Who is the problem? Is it the governor plus the MCAs? Is it the MCAs themselves? Or is it the governor and maybe the senator? Senator Roma, it is right. Is in the oversight. And 5 billion. If you cannot account for that, then na kyoko ranga omupira ro politics na bara rutrane it's okay. Na bara nyora senator nata take and kerota take ntoma itenga ko to montama again. But in terms of development, iga to kwanda mangana development. Chiba sa chiena ni ruga. It is you saw that when we are having a committee ya Yoko Wolia Maswali, Chiba Sanchiro Chitariko accounted for. I want to believe that that is the position of the Senate. Chiba Chiba from the control of budget, how these things were done. That is the position of a senator, because he has spearhead the devolution and don't make sure again taking Okorekanakir. Nera ako tenena kobo monto kobe embarrassed. Buna ako teva because he gamanya kaina across Kenya that no montoyo mo umaeteri chiko. He's a senior counsel, one of the trusted lawyers in our country. And how comes that it is your county of Nyamira that kills Chiro, including the legal issues? Na kiakubodi ya maswali are related to legal issues. Well, no, according to me, the governor, Njanta toko rabe kiro governor, but I stand corrected. Governor Nero went to Koweta a house in order. Again, the root cause of amangana tubugate. What is it? Is it the MCS? Now by MCS na barabu, they have to take the responsibility. Like they were elected. Igobara choretunga kena mko rumu wananchi. What have they done in terms of legislation? What have they done in terms of law making? What have they done in terms of oversight to the account of Nyamira?
Another question, Dennis. I got you are our senior, say one in all aspects. Now you're running about to call somewhat and certainly our Premu governor. But then come and governor into what they do separation of power.
Yes.
Governor are executive governor. When you carry governor narrow engineering interviews, then does it meaning I'm about 2 3? That's one. Even to get a naked. About send about Musica by 3 G, Bunga Machinani,
bunge nyumbani
bunge kijijini.
Insachinde ebili was ne bili by 3 was no sort by 3 nota kere was saini wa no mugavana.
Yes.
Insachinde aba bunge in-house bunge nyumbani by 3 muswada by 3 mugavana angire was saini na nga aganye to muswada bunge mashindani iga ye contribution yenga keka wakiwa
ncheza ite once again got yaba na mbeyamo e governor igale the CEO
the county
igale president
the county
ndaka tatoka enda with this order igale in charge igale overall ebintu ebigo cherana nara a memo yali ko county government of Kisii the county secretary Ernest the other name ne vile igali kanga county government of Simba taibo the perception yere sika a county government igere ya Nyamira ya Nyalibo buna ya Kisiere nga Bosongo ya Simba taibo rende kere igo you are the father abana bao why can't you call them into order but instead wacheri pikiri issues aso mwana oyo moya gonsumbwa ya kobeka chianga maonchole oya bono taisa initi garakira kwanzire kugwake no mwana gete gose no mogati watigira ababande my concern yerenga omogavana you ought to have shown leadership you matter deciding between the two camps in area yako working so the problem squarely lies with the governor number 1 asogo choranga ase chitimu echibere chiko minyokania tiga wakine timu yamo which is wrong abono kwa gizerete omorero liago tabe ngo senata woki bono ne ronyo mentire onyuokiri mono namba ibere ere na ma edenga a constitution ne mobwate tenga goiko waki ne order get no ne binto bikorosiwa lichiko no eli arosiwe nditakereriete process na binto binde bikiranwe again don't get na abanga county assemblies ekero ba muete nko gana bare machinani a resolution in error it happens yes it happens in the Senate, it happens in the National Assembly nonye mbatake gotware bikawa bunebyo so a resolution ye yo ntora evidencing a resolution njarwetuo but yo mogavana having thought about it akaranga the only thing in that survive nende na rule as impeachment ya berege ko chabwango impeachment nji achete ibera so mogavana this is an opportunity onse ko regente yonsi byo mondo ko fight kane governor so igona endege ko moira ni square linga it is you to blame
the blame moves away from him na na
yes no ega data koleto molembe Nyamira number 1 very importantly he should begin by disowning the two teams ata venga endete yondoje between bunge nyumbani halirenda asebika biko bana bunge mashinani in the event binto bireigo I'm stuck because yondata yorangeterie gendo konga a financial bill a finance act yoko sangererie bango korua saba na inchi bono na very stuck then he goes back maybe to court or a consult the Senate emo konye nkia okora perhaps another option here ogendere na a finance act yeriende chibesa yoko tumeka no atora eterwe budget kiokora so he should have avoided the controversy chionsi ibere between Okello and Ndubi ebeke in a position at the asiga ikera am in a state of confusion in that unable to do again to get a kereokorwa my hands are tied asiki for he can even move to court asiki for an advisory on what he needs to do now that he did not go for that advisory he has found himself in the act he is the one to blame squarely ekarotu tata itiko genda either camp na kiorojo mogavana ko mo senator ko motebeli mogavana you are in charge bono lende inkie problem ko bera put your house in order in Nairobi in the I sit in Nairobi you sit in Nyamira
goja tere sorry Sam te tendencia bwatrani gente ke gana ase evinte bionse ase esa kasi yonsi na drama kigendrete ase county ya Nyamira ntubwate umuntu yomo otararekana
yes
oyoro mu deputy governor korubu James Odicho Kesami
yes
ibagali ya yenga irire se evinte bionse
embu yasana biamono ibagali ya irire well defined
principal assistant
to the governor now that the governor is there inki yako mu assist now that the governor is there otara delegate anyora
responsibilities
he is squarely on his position Dr. James Odicho Kesami is doing his work so well. Listening and waiting. By the way, I mean, it is in the constitution. A deputy mo replace them. By impeach the deputy mo replace. That is his position. So nothing. The two haven't happened. Unfortunately, but in the event of that unforeseen circumstance here happen, the deputy governor will take position.
Some deputy governor ko James Odicho Kesami anye kero kere ke targi kero ke nake ai karanze kero kombate pake radi gereli.
You know, then he almost got his position according to the constitution. there are 2 attempts to impeach a governor.
And
those attempts,
yes,
those attempts, even if they successful, 8 of them are successful, you could have benefited annual position here, legally anchored in the constitution. So for now, he should keep quiet, he should not comment, he should wait any eventuality go to benefits your governor.
Gesami is well seated, and you remember the last 2 attempted unsuccessful impeachments. You chair accusing and I can go taka engineer that impeachment illegal. But what I want to say, Aaron, what I want to believe Kialetri and let's say the truth. Chibunge chibuna nchokora kwane because we have had 2 impeachment attempts itaranya kuba chiko korekana kwamanya konyoranga SIDL atagito mugava nagende na ubale bunge abata atakitagenda andake na ubarare mashinani. So it is I can say they have not yet moved on from the impeachment motions chiachire. Still that's why governor maybe atanyole solution because maybe is fearing abantu abago chamo andake like the unity, if they come together, they'll bring a minor pip. This is our father. Tarata magoto unite. Because na yuko kara kwa nangari wote banga. Nani onya November ba sinyiru. Me think don't karabe karo no language. I don't want to misquote. If they cannot unite, who are these uniting? Aaron yutoto buata bana batatu. They have kills. Who should show up and say no? Even they want more karama be agile to an end. Maybe now a cause problem, maybe in qua let the Tomogati or Tabanga Tatana Tomogati, I've got to one to who should be the who should come and saying one and if he has not found the solution in terms of the unity of maybe on Yanaba, if they have not seen the unity of Papa Spacham in Kia Corridor. Apart from saying Ali Kiromo president, I resolve what has he done according to the constitution? Maybe seeking some advice from advice, the county Nini, the county attorney, and even the Senate itself, so that we have a solution.
The last resort here, no, this sort of was no go to Trade county.
What is sort?
Chicksam Monjero, Roganero, Ronga, no county Makweni, almost Professor Kibwana, Abam Simba Machanda Kali Bagatava, and Tagatomo Sike, Urketato, County, Kromontaga. In a way, Abam Siebaka, Bakara Maga, and taken into grass, as a county and a miracle in the case weapon. About on the chopping board, Abam Sie, no more governor, no more deputy governor. Almost Senator Gotika, the record. Lakini amo deputy governor na msie bonzi na no speaker bonzi nyabaro no kero bonzi bago. So
let me tell you why insisting a governor no era at the center of this thing is a beneficiary. Oinyolenga matuka edre maiga mwaka no edre maybe mwaka go chikoera. A governor was on chopping board. He was squarely on the impeachment. That impeached almost. He was almost going down.
Just one.
He cannot allow Abandaba Unite, the MCS by Unite, because chances are a discussion you have the interest because it's not about the interest of MCS allowances and other things. There are problems Chico are sorted out. They'll think about another problem could be the governor, the Gango Doramo impeach. That could be the next course of action. In the event here, Makueni was totally different because it was a tiff between MCS and the governor. Ekabone kia soire omodrobu wakire MCS me because one county assembly ya Nyamira ekarawa te mete chi impeachment motion ibere chikanga goita korusio governor office. Kwa mayakonyoranga a problem bona ya irenire assembly ya Nyamira ime. You are guessing already problem where is as good as mine. Because the third impeachment yarego eta. In the event the third one, let me cause some little bit of chaos, a little bit of politics in the assembly. But I have divided. Mind you, you can also tell most of the MCAs born over a team where Nyaribo aligning MCAs, Nyaribo, Enoch aligning team. Igere most of them are nominated MCAs, abale chama ya UPA party leader, Governor Nyaribo. So then you can easily tell Igabuate majority of the MCAs wako support Igabale UPA. Minority of the MCAs Baralia, including the MCA, Nyambagagi says, nobody with a leaning camp here, Enoch, you are fronted by, yes, you are fronted by a governor. So a problem squarely with the governor, he should sort this thing. He knows how to touch the right button. Igate abanga, omogavana ate abanga, na takiri kulikiri president. Lakini ninti etake. Inki ati ketake. Tigo moliroro kama awantaba.
Zedeke ya, and let me tell you, this one, it's my own opinion. Naende, I think the bitterness ya MCA who wanted to impeach the governor, iwanye retete to speaker Okelo. Because umaite umuntu nabago tware ebitina mwao. Nyata wekera iso bona bago chagwa teri nonye na no mwano. No, okoranga baranga because the speaker tends to be working with the governor. Karanga bono tuasinyiru negenteke na ndengetaketesa ultimatum after these months na dumanya koleta another impeachment. I want to believe that these MCAs maybe barochinga and ake because this speaker works with the governor and ake na bako mubwate siko sabotage the numbers of abayigabatete umugavana be impeached. So kwa nyoranga the only solution what we shall do is just to remove the speaker na ndetore toyo yoito and ake when the right time comes Kerumo governor and also in the chopping board anyorenga onde tayo ba correct bako bwatira ne
bono ase okora ndo chinza jo chiachire kigima Dennis in a minute engana ya mwalia na bono basamu jese county ya Nyamira wose yeso kokore karoli kulero
yamono engana na yomwali ne linga omogavana Nyaribo governor Nyamira. It is time to show leadership to the people of Nyamira by declaring both teams illegal because in Chiriko Konya in any way. But I know because of the political interest, they can agree but suspend a problem where lakini bako iranere. Think about the future in Nyamira. Even if MCAs baadaye ba unite bako minyoki, even the grace of God will help you. Rather than leaving a problem where again far affect Nyamira, na Nyamira ko affected, no any county can go under again to national government, which is quite unfortunate. To the residents of Nyamira, as a moko nyoromo senator ino Nyamira motebi show leadership bono nayo tigalete toko minyoker because egasia obono mo senator it is to take care of the interests of county governments including a county ko chole de korgu Nyamira biamon
Sam daikaya
nanjego kora said daikayamo I want to believe that omo governor we county Nyamira when he was campaigning the main thing argote yabantu mwakrete kura imbakara magendero please. For the sake of urban 90 who need services and already life is becoming so difficult, including the MCAs of Nyamira, for the sake of Mwananchi, kara nyora unity, kaki kiende kira asuka because kiende ba onaga nkege ndred. For the sake of Mwananchi okawaida, abantu bara nyora services. I think nga ujumbe ine ronale kuwa isi daika, nda kwa nima ukuro minto nara aliyo kuru kwa Grace, kwa agare no mugaka Richard by the ante binga kakirero, onsogeri. I think mbatori gerereti, ya mua maigayo.
Kwa moira. Mwaka naro ya moko watchie show ya Botambe, kwa Nyabaro, biamono sana so toroje.
Yewe no mwanjo murigera na esenge njo ko bamuna into somoro bwege karoli kulia rego ikali tukulia Jumapili, stranya kabato kokwanira amange somoro bwege karo. Che ekobol pwana ngolinga county ya Nyamira kora no governor Amos Kimwemi Nyaribo nigo etakeire teba enambeli kuruka county number 46 netakeire nambe teba ngani reality nga number 46 yere sekeregento iyo minetinga aigetambo gese ko mutu wa oborai obuya bro kanese county yo nigera be enamba eruno ani nambe yo gene nambe ndenga yera nyaka bembe negende kelinga omo governor be county Nyamira Amos Kimwemi Nyaribo golenginere among the first deputy governors bali banyatuka bako choro 2013 oromo governor bono iga na bakesana bakaleo nye bakarora lakini ngirite mpayo igo nabwate experience yakana kiburai abwenta korokia as a county Nyamira na bonsi abarai banyamira mwensi abananji baparigereti na barabumbata getaba ganta okalwa emirimo natali boka mwananchi andonse sare nigagenda agariti kokorwa emirimo na intwe kuna getembe mirimo yaito no gokone kelionsi ali agendrete na ali atagendrete kubusika bwa sori nyingi ngoro kwaro ni toto nyangiri to berre chinsenye ase ke unga chinsenye